you are fine and doing well in your life. Friend, my today video is very creative and unique because I am making this video on to your request because most of my YouTube friends and family members do like the design ideas of Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati silai, Gujarati jammer, Sindhi bath and many more creative names that have been used for this one embroidery stitch. Yes, exactly, the embroidery stitch which you are seeing onto your screens is Sindhi embroidery and with multiple names and variations known in different regions of the world. The beauty and creativity of our today's video is that the whole collection of designs is not only embroidery based, but you can decorate these very beautiful, pretty and stylish design ideas with the touch of mirror work. Yes friends, you can make these designs casual for an absolute combination for the complete look of your formal dress. You can give a touch of mirror work and you can make these embroidery patterns onto your blouse, gowns, sari blouse, onto your frock yokes, onto your shirt, kurti, necklines and many more creativities as well. You can pair up these dresses along with your tights, churidar, along with a very beautiful and exquisite collection of your tops, dupatta, stoller or shawls as well. So friends, if you really like the ideas, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, and don't forget to leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel and what you want me to share with you in my latest and new upcoming videos. So stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed and stay motivated, and jazakallahu khaira for watching my content.